As the year draws to a close, investors and market enthusiasts often find themselves wondering about the stock market's schedule during the holiday season. The end of the year is a critical time for financial markets, with many traders looking to finalize their portfolios and make strategic decisions for the upcoming year. This period is marked by a flurry of activity as everyone tries to wrap up their financial dealings before the holidays. Will the closing bell ring early on New Year's Eve, or will traders be working into the wee hours to wrap up their portfolios for the year? The stock market's schedule can often be a bit confusing during this time, with different exchanges having varying hours of operation. It's essential to know these details to avoid any last-minute surprises. Let's delve into the details and shed light on the stock market's schedule for New Year's Eve 2024. Typically, the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ close early on New Year's Eve, but it's always good to double-check the exact timings. This ensures that you can plan your trades and investments without any hiccups. Understanding the stock market's holiday hours is crucial for investors to plan their trades effectively, especially when it comes to year-end adjustments and New Year strategies. This knowledge allows traders to make informed decisions, ensuring that they are not caught off guard by unexpected market closures. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a casual observer, knowing when the market is open and closed can help you make informed decisions about your investments. Being aware of the market schedule helps in strategizing and making the most out of your trading opportunities, ensuring that you start the new year on the right foot. For those wondering if they'll need to squeeze in some last-minute trades between holiday festivities, here's the good news. The U.S. stock market will be open for regular trading hours on New Year's Eve, December 31st, 2024. This means that even as you prepare to ring in the new year, you can still keep an eye on your investments and make strategic decisions. Both the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ will operate on their standard schedules. These iconic institutions will ensure that trading activities proceed without interruption, providing a sense of normalcy amidst the holiday season. This means that the opening bell will ring at the usual 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, signaling the start of the trading day. Traders and investors alike will be ready to dive into the market as soon as the bell rings, and trading will continue until the closing bell at 4 p.m. ET. As the day progresses, you'll have the full trading session to monitor market movements and execute your trades. So rest assured you'll have ample opportunity to make those final trades and adjust your portfolio before the year comes to a close. Whether you're looking to capitalize on year-end trends or simply ensure your investments are in order, the market will be there for you. While the stock market will be buzzing with activity throughout New Year's Eve, the bond market prefers to get a head start on the celebrations. The bond market will have an early closure on December 31st, 2024, shutting down at 2 p.m. ET. This early closure is standard practice for the bond market on certain holidays and the eve of major holidays. It allows bond traders to wrap up their business early and join the festivities. Section 4, A Fresh Start, the first trading day of 2025. As the calendar flips to a new year, the financial world prepares for a fresh start. As the confetti settles and the New Year's resolutions kick in, there's a palpable sense of anticipation in the air. People everywhere are filled with hope and excitement for what the new year will bring. The stock market takes a well-deserved break, with trading floors quiet and calm. It's a moment of pause before the hustle and bustle resumes. On New Year's Day, January 1st, 2025, families and friends gather to celebrate and reflect on the past year. It's a day of rest and rejuvenation. Both the NYSE and NASDAQ will be closed in observance of the federal holiday, giving everyone a chance to enjoy the festivities without the distraction of market movements. The first trading day of 2025 will be Thursday, January 2nd. Traders and investors will return to their desks, ready to dive back into the market. Regular trading hours will resume, with the opening bell at 9:30 a.m. ET. The sound of the bell will mark the beginning of a new chapter in the financial world. And the closing bell at 4 p.m. ET will signal the end of the first trading day, wrapping up the initial market activities of the year. Investors and traders will be eager to see how the market kicks off the new year, analyzing economic indicators, market trends, and global events that could influence stock prices. They will also be closely monitoring company performance after the holiday season, looking for any signs of growth or potential challenges. The first trading day sets the tone for the year ahead, making it a crucial time for market participants. Section 5. Looking ahead. Market holidays in the new year. As we look ahead to 2025, it's essential to be aware of the scheduled market closures for federal holidays. Following New Year's Day, the next market holiday will be Monday, January 20th, 2025, in observance of Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Staying informed about market holidays is crucial for investors to plan their trading activities effectively. By being mindful of these closures, investors can avoid any surprises and ensure that their investment strategies are aligned with the market schedule.